Hello beautiful people. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some new boots that I picked up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so like I mentioned, I have some new boots that I recently picked up that I want to share with you all. And of course they came mid-cleaning, so you know, you just get it when you get these videos as soon as these pieces come. So this is how the piece was packaged. Oh, this is cute. So it does say, not sure if it'll focus, but it does say awake mode on this sticker right here. I've never purchased anything from this brand directly. Like, I got this item directly from the site. Let's see. So of course on the paper it just says, "Dear Carla Simon, we hope you enjoy your purchase. Love, awake mode," on this card right here. And this is just the front of the card. This is the box. I've been wanting a pair of shoes from this brand for a while now. I just love the aesthetic. Almost like Gaia. They're very, very different. They're not your average pair of heels, boots, sandals, anything that you get from this brand. They're very contemporary. Again, they're just not your average normal pair of shoes that you would get. Like, yes, it's like a boot, a sandal, or whatever you get, but there's definitely an edge to whatever piece that you get from this brand. So yes, this is how the box is, and let's open it up. So as you can see, it does come with, let's see how many. So just one dust bag, as you guys can see right here. Hopefully, we'll see, because hopefully the shoes fit in there just fine. Of course I would have preferred two, or maybe, okay, so one of the shoes is actually in a dust bag already, or both of them. This is weird. All right, so here's one, here's the other. I love the smell of leather. Like, the smell of leather is like no other. So let's just take this one out. I'm excited. Yes, do you guys see these boots? So here's where you get simple basic boot, right? You get this square toe, you get the stretchy material here, and this is leather, but here is where you were getting the edge. It's in the heel. So you get this wooden heel, and it's not back here where most heels land. It's more like a little forward. Like, I don't want to say center because center is here, but it's just forward a little bit, if you can tell. See, this is where the heel is. I did get these in a 38.5. Oh, the smell of leather is just everything. When I saw these, I just knew I had to have them. I can just picture them styled with like boot cut jeans and like a nice blazer, something very casual and chill. These would definitely be more of like an everyday boot for me. I love the color. Like, the color is everything for me. I did get these on sale. I believe they're originally, let me just check. Oh, this doesn't have a receipt. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna check my phone. Okay, I found them. So these are called the Ariana boot in the color brown. I got these again in a 38.5. They are originally $585. They're actually cheaper on the website now. They're $266, which is cheaper than what I paid. I believe I paid about $290 something, so they're even cheaper now. So if you can get your hands on these boots right here, then go ahead and get them. I will link them down below like I usually do. They do have a few sizes left, so again, if you want to get these, get your hands on them now. While I have it here, let me just share with you all the description. So they describe them as a high heel ankle Chelsea boot with a wooden heel like we saw already. It comes with a branded dust bag, which I did show you guys, and this is Napa leather. This is a 90mm heel. I don't know what that converts to in inches, but it's easy enough for me to check. So a 3.5 inch heel, which is not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to try them on just to make sure that they fit appropriately. It was one of my like concerns in a sense, because I'm usually an 8.5, but as of late, like any shoe that I get, I've been needing to get like a size 9 or a 39. So let's just see if I'm still like, if I can continue saying I'm an 8.5 or if I'm actually a 9. So let me just try these on. I just took all of the stuffing out, and I'll try to like insert an image of me with these on. Oh, so yeah, definitely get your regular size. So in trying them on, let me just point out a few things that's very, very helpful. You're gonna want to use this, especially if you have like thicker, like wider feet like I do. You're gonna want to use this to help you put the shoe on, and this does stretch, so it helps. I just noticed that in putting these shoes on, they are so friggin' comfortable. Oh yes, these are just pure perfection. I must tell you that I already give these an A+, and I have not even walked around in them, but they are so comfortable. Like walked around like for a full day, but they just feel so comfortable. There is a bit of like a decline, so my foot is like this, but because you get that square toe box, they're so comfortable. The heel, the location of it, you do kind of have to get used to. Like in having them on right now, you're almost tempted to like lean your foot back and expect that heel to be in the back, but you do kind of have to remember that the heel isn't directly in the back, it's just a little forward. So it's just a little bit of getting used to, but these boots are everything. Now, let me try to take them off. All right, so taking them off was a little bit of a struggle. I want to show you guys right here, like the leather did wrinkle a little bit, but that is expected. I actually love the look of like worn boots, like worn leather boots. So I am expecting that to happen with the boots. Of course, with the like bending, no boots that you put on are you gonna wear and they're not gonna bend. But I do really like these. If you want, you can always size up, like half size up, just for the ease of putting them on and taking them off. They may be a little big as you walk, but for the ease of putting them on and taking them off, I am so out of breath off of taking these shoes off. You may want to go up a half size. If not, just keep your regular size and you will be perfectly fine. Just know that it'll be a little more difficult to put them on and to take them off. But yeah, that is it with these boots. They are so stunning. Definitely, I will say thus far, a fall must have. It's just like the style of them. You get the leather, they're on sale. How can you go wrong? And this brand is just amazing. So you may start seeing more things from this brand, more shoes in particular, just because I love their shoes. They have this stunning skirt that I've been having. Like I got my eyes on that skirt, so you may see that skirt as well. But in the meantime, if you can get your hands on these boots, I will have them linked down below. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. If you're not comfortable asking me in the comment section down below, feel free to follow me on Instagram at carla.simon19. And even if you don't follow me, feel free to hit me up in my DMs and ask me any questions if you do have any. But yes, I will see you all in my next video. See you later.